to the vlog. So, as you can probably tell, we're in a car.
Road trip.
Where are we going, Barbara?
We are going to Cardiff.
Why are we going to Cardiff?
We are going to meet a pattern cutter, and hopefully she will be helping us out with drafting the patterns for us.
Oh, it's so exciting. So since we put out our first vlog, we've had some really lovely responses from people saying that they do pattern cutting or they know someone. And so Alexandra Wall was one of those emails and said someone passed on your vlog and I would love to help you out. And she has her own fashion label, Sandra Jane, and we love her aesthetic and everything she does. And we're going to her studio in Cardiff, and so hopefully today is the day we find our pattern cutter. Yay! And we also wanted to say, while we're in a traffic jam and have some time to talk to you, thank you so much for all the responses to our survey.
Amazing. So many of you have done the survey. We are so glad. It's super helpful.
Yes,
really,
it really
amazing.
is. Yeah. It's been overwhelming, and just the response from our first vlog as well.
Yeah.
We feel
So
like,
good.
you know, we always wanted to take you on this journey, but we didn't realise quite how much support we were going to get, and it just feels amazing. We're really excited to see what we're going to all build together. Yay! So, all right, on to Cardiff, and we'll report back on our way back.
Yes, we will.
Maybe with an ice cream.
I hope so. It's really warm today.
It is so hot. In fact, we gotta go because we gotta open these windows up again. See you in a bit.
Okay, bye.
We rub our eyes with soap, we bob and we float, and try to catch our breath. We're drowning, not waving, so throw us a line before we get dragged by the tide. When we're falling, so don't push us down. We need our bones to stand. And speaking of our bones, we have arms and have legs to help us off the ground.
Ideas, we were giving her ideas. Nothing was too crazy. Everything we asked for, she was like, oh yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, it was really natural.
Yeah.
And because I've got to concentrate on the road, do you want to maybe tell everyone about kind of what we went through basically?
Yeah, so we brought in your sketch and the samples. So Gabby has made up 2 of the samples and showed those to her, and she had a look through, so she's going to use the she's going to use the sample to actually make the pattern, so she's going to draft that herself. and then she's going to send it back to us, and then we're going to see what she's done. We're going to make another version using her pattern and see if we like it, and then we can send it back to her and she will do her magic and make it like digitize it and do like the different sizes and things like that. But yeah, so we were basically discussing the design ideas that we have, and yeah, she was just so helpful, and
she really was.
Yeah, it was really good. Her studio was lovely as well. She had a few of her garments of her alignments, or
yeah, they're beautiful.
Amazing.
I love that wraparound jumper thing.
Yes, it was beautiful. I basically wanted to wear it. I was like, do you do patterns as well? I want to wear your stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. And she does.
Yeah, absolutely. We definitely will let everyone know.
Yeah, we'll link to her below.
Yeah, and how lovely was that studio space?
Oh, I know. We filmed a little bit, so hopefully you'll see some footage of us just like around her space, having a look at some examples of pattern plans that she did, and she was incredibly impressive. I mean, I think we just had no idea what to expect or what we even needed to bring to the table. So we did a bit of research before, and we've talked to a few people, and basically she said even coming in with a rough sketch is enough to start from. So we had kind of more than we needed, which was brilliant. And
yeah, definitely. I think she was like, oh yeah, I've got enough to work with.
Yeah. And we kind of talked through things like we've been talking about sizing a lot, which is something that we're trying to be as inclusive as possible and make everyone, you know, make as many people happy as possible. We know it's impossible to make everyone happy, but we're going to try our best.
Using your feedback.
Yes, exactly.
We've been going through everything, and there's so much good information there, so many good tips as well, and we're going to use it as much as we can.
Yes.
And yeah, it's all going to be really good.
It's all happening! Oh, this is so exciting! Okay, so before I crash, because that would be a very bad end to this vlog.
Yeah, please keep your eyes on the road.
We'll love you and leave you, and we'll be back with more updates really soon on what's happening with our pattern line.
Yes! We will keep you posted.
Woo! Take care, guys. Bye!
There's a whole world